हाँ चल रहा है, चलिए चलाएं। हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू यू इन योर मैथ्स क्लास. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and rules, and today's topic is comparison of fractions. Okay students, today we will discuss about ascending and descending order. Okay, now let's start question number 13. Question number 13 is in this question here given that arrange the following fractions in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, students, here given that question number 13 of A is 3 over 5, 2 over 7, 5 over 6 and 1 over 10. Okay, okay students, in this question in this question here given that 3 over 5, 2 over 7, 5 over 6, 1 over 10. Okay, firstly we have to take the LCM of 5, 7, 6 and 10. Okay, look at here carefully. 5, 7, 6, 10. Firstly we have to take the LCM of 5, 7, 6, 10. Okay, by using the prime factorization method. Okay dear students, in this firstly we have to take 2. Okay, we know that 5 is not divisible by 2, 7 is not divisible by 2, therefore here we have to take 5 as same and here we take 7 as same. Okay, we know that 6 is divisible by 2 and 10 is divisible by 2, therefore 2 3 ja 6 and 2 5 ja 10. Okay, again we have to take 3 because 3 is divisible by 3 but not 5, 7, 5 is not divisible by 3. Okay, therefore here we have to take 5 as same, 7, 3 1 ja 3 and 5. Okay, okay, again we have to take 5. 5 is divisible by 5, therefore 5 1 ja 5. 7 is not divisible by 5, therefore here we take 7 as same, 1 as same, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, here we have to take 7, 1 as same, 7 1 ja 7, this one we can write as same and 1. Okay, okay distance. Then the LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Okay, distance. Then we have to arrange all equivalent fractions. Okay, look at here carefully. Given 3 by 5 is equal to distance. Look here given that 5. Okay, then we have to take the multiply by 2, 3 and 7 in numerator and denominator both. Okay, that means that here we have to take the multiplication of 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 in numerator and denominator. Look, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. After multiplying these we get 3 2 is 6 into 3 7 is 21, total upon 5 2 is 10 into 3 7 is 21. Okay, understand? After multiplying these we get 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 216, 126. After multiplying these we get 126 and 21 10 is 210. Okay, similarly in this here question number 2 over 7 is equal to distance. Here given that 7 as denominator, therefore we have to take the multiplication by 3, 5 and 2. It means that 5, 3 and 2. Okay, look at here carefully. Distance, here we have to take the multiplication by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Okay, and in this 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Okay, distance, it means that we have to take the multiplication of this in numerator and denominator both. Okay, after multiplying these we get 2 2 is 4 into 5 3 is 15, total upon 7 2 is 14 into 3 5 is 15. After multiplying this we get 15 4 is 60 over 15 4 is 60 of 0 carry 6, 15 1 is 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, and in this here given that 5 over 6 is equal to distance. Look at here carefully. If this is 2 3 is 6, therefore in this we have to take the multiplication of 5 into 7, 5 into 7 in numerator and denominator both. Okay, after multiplying these we get 5 5 is 25 into 7, total upon 6 5 is 30 into 7. Okay, look at here carefully. 7 5 is 35 of 5 carry 3, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 17, total upon 3 7 is 21, and here we have to take 0 as same. Okay, okay distance. Now is this, look, distance. In this question if any student have doubt, please ask me. This is very most important question of this chapter. Look, and last here given that 1 by 10, 1 by 10 is equal to distance. Look at here carefully. If we have to take the multiply by 5 into 2, then we get 10. Therefore in this here we have to take the multiplication by 3 and 7 in numerator and denominator. Okay, after multiplying this we get 3 7 is 21 over 3 7 is 21, 10 is 210. Okay distance. Then the most greater fraction is 175, the least fraction is 21 over 210, is less. Next 60 over 210, 60 over 210 is less. Next 126 over 210, and next 175 over 210. Therefore 21 over 10, here we have to take 1 over 10 in place of 21 over 210 is less. 2 over 7 is less. 5 over 6 is less. 3 over 5 is less. 5 over 6. Okay, students, this is the ascending order of this question. Okay, understand? It means that 1 over 10 is less 2 over 7 is less 3 over 5 is less 5 over 6. Okay, this is ascending order of this question. Understand? Now that this, similarly we can solve all given questions. Now that this, okay students, now let's start question number 13 of B. Look at here carefully. Question number 13 of B. Here given that 1 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 7, 1 over 6. Dear students, in this question firstly we have to take the LCM of 4, 2, 7 and 6. Okay, by using prime factorization method. Look, we know that 4 is divisible by 2, 2 is divisible by 2 and 3 is divisible by, and 6 is divisible by 2. Okay, therefore here we have to take 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 7 is not divisible by 2, therefore here we have to take 7 as same, 2 3 is 6, again here we get 2, therefore here we have to take 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 7 is not divisible by 3, 3 is not divisible by 2, 7 is not divisible by 2 and 3 is not divisible by 2. Okay, understand? Okay students, look, again we have to take 3, 1 1, 7 is not divisible by 3, 3 is divisible by 3, that means that 3 1 is 3, 7 1 is 7. Okay, after multiplying these we get the LCM. It means that LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, okay students, again here we have to take the equivalent fraction of this fraction. Look at here carefully. Here given that 1 by 4 is equal to, here given that 1 by 2, here given that 1 by 7 and here 1 by 6. Look, in this firstly we have to take the multiplication of 3 by 7 because 4 is here, this is 4, 2 2 is 4 and the rest part is 3 multiplied by 7. Therefore here we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 7 in numerator and denominator both. Okay, okay students, for making equivalent fraction, 7 3 is 21 over 4 3 is 12 multiplied by 7. It means that After multiplying these, we get 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8. Okay, 21/84. Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Here given that 2 only, therefore we have to take the multiplication of 2 by 3 by 7 in numerator and denominator. 2 by 3 by 7 in numerator and denominator. After multiplying these, we get 2 1 is 2, 3 7 is 21. 2 into 21 over 2 2 is 4, 3 7 is 21. Again multiplying these, we get 21 2 is 42 over 21 4 is 84. Next, we are given that 1 over 7. 1 over 7. It means that here we have to take the multiplication by 2 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 over 7 into 2 into 2 into 3. Look, 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Here we get 12 over, after multiplying these we get 84. Understand? 12 over 84. In this question here given that 1 over 6. 1 over 6. 2 3 is 6. Then 7 2 is 14. It means that here we have to take the multiplication by 14 in numerator and denominator. It means that here we have to take the multiplication of 2 and 3. 2 and 7. Okay. Here we have to take the multiplication 2 and 7. After multiplying these, we get 7 2 is 14 over 84. Then we can write this in ascending order. Look at here carefully. The smaller fraction is 12 over 84 is less 14 over 84 is less 21 over 84 is less 42 over 84. Okay, students. Therefore, the fraction is 1 over 7. Here we have to take 1 over 7 in place of 12 over 84. Next, 1 over 6 is less 1 over 4 is less 42 over 84. It means that 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Understand? Then the ascending order is 1 over 7 is less 1 over 6 is less 1 over 4 is less 1 over 2. Okay, distance? Okay, understand? Similarly, we can solve all given question. Now read this. Question number 1 of C. Question number 13 of C. Look, 13 of C. Here given that 3 over 4, 5 over 8, 9 over 16 and 1 over 2. Okay, this is simple questions. Look at here carefully. Here given that 4, 8, 16, 2 as denominator. Okay, and denominator are not same, therefore we have to take the LCM of 4, 8, 16 and 2. Okay, distance. Okay, here we use prime factorization method. Look at here carefully. Here we have to take 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Again we have to take 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again we have to take 2, 1 1, 2 1s are 2, 1. Okay, then LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. टोटल आ जाएगा कितना? 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. After multiplying these we get 16. Okay, okay, look here given that 3 over 4, 5 over 8, 9 over 16 and 1 over 2. Okay, distance. Look here given that 4, it means that 2 2s are 4. Here we have to take the multiplication by 4 in numerator and denominator. Okay, 3 4s are 12 over 16. Again here given that 5 over 8, it means that 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, therefore here we have to take the multiplication of 2 in numerator and denominator. After multiplying these we get 5 2s are 10 over 16. Okay, similarly here given that 16, therefore here we have to take the multiplication by 1 in numerator and denominator. Okay, and here given that 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, therefore in this question here we have to take the multiplication by 8 in numerator and denominator. 8 1s are 8 over 8 2s are 16. Okay, then the ascending order of this is 8 over 16 is less 9 over 16 is less 10 over 16 is less 12 over 16. Then the fractions is 1 by 2 is less 9 by 16 is less 5 by 8 is less 3 by 4. Okay, distance. This is ascending order. Okay, this is in ascending order. It means that this fractions in ascending orders. Okay, similarly question number 13 of D, do it yourself in maths homework. Okay, distance. If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, okay, distance. Thank you.